Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how easy it is to take a JPEG file and convert to PDF using DeftPDF's web-based platform. From the DeftPDF.com homepage, click Convert and then select JPEG to PDF from the drop-down menu. From here, select the JPEG file that you want to convert and change your options. We can customize the page size, page orientation, and the margins. Once you're finished, click Convert to PDF and save or share to your hard drive or service of your choice. Visit DeftPDF.com to see what else you can do through our easy-to-use platform.